Morning everybody. This will be a nice short video for you today. I'm going to make carpet refresher, carpet powder, whatever you want to call it. I used to buy the Fresh Wave carpet shake and I loved it. It worked great, especially because I have dogs and they don't make this anymore, or at least I can't find it. And if I can find it, it's really expensive. So what I do is I looked up all the stuff that's in there. Technically, it's baking soda, diatomaceous earth, food grade, and I found this on Amazon. Home Depot had it at one time. They don't anymore. So the food grade, then you don't have to worry about yourself. You don't have to worry about your dogs. Nothing. Don't bark, Maggie. And then essential oils. Okay, essential oils. Now, Russ used to, well, he still kind of does, Young Living. So you pick a scent you like. Springtime, Maggie, stop. Peppermint's always great because it then refreshes everything. We've done cedarwood, we've done sandalwood. I think in their recipe themselves, they do a combination of cedarwood, sandalwood, and something else. Since you're making it yourself, do whatever you want. He doesn't care for eucalyptus. I do. He doesn't care for it, so I'm not going to do it. I got peppermint. What do I want to do? Lavender, I don't want to be put to sleep. Orange would be refreshing, wouldn't it? Now there's one here called Loyalty. Let me try it. Oh, it's not open yet, so maybe I won't open it. Yeah, it's full. Awaken. That would be good. And this, it's Awaken, meaning it's already a combination of items. So what does it say? It doesn't say what's in it. I'm sure it's in their book. So I'm going to do Awaken. And it's about, I've tried 15, 20, 25 drops of this. Seems like a lot, but it's got to get into the baking powder, baking soda, and the diatomaceous earth. Okay, so let me move the camera. Now, obviously, since this isn't something we're actually eating or baking or cooking, I eyeball how much I put in here. So let me open this. Okay, pop the lid off. I need a funnel, don't I? And I'm going to eyeball what a cup is. Do whatever you want. I gotta break this up, eh? I must have a chunk in there. Let me get a skewer, which I have a ton of. When I find skewers on sale, I buy them like crazy. There they go. See? Now it's going in. That's one. Maggie, hey, leave him alone. Maggie, it's enough. I do hear somebody in their backyard making noise, so if it gets bad, I'm just gonna stop. Okay, I'm gonna pause this. I'm gonna keep going. Okay, so I put 4 of these big things, 4 of these sizes in. And that's about right. That's like a 1/4 cup, so that works. And then, what the diatomaceous earth does is it kills bugs, here, I can read it. You can put this, you can actually feed this to animals. Okay? It clears bugs out. It's great. It's great. It's great. It's very good for you, actually. But I'm not going to eat it. But it'll get rid of any bugs you have in your carpet. Bugs don't like it. So I'm going to put one of these in there. So obviously this bag is going to last me a very, 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 very long time. It closes right back up because there's Velcro in there. Now, when I have all this in here, obviously it will not fill the jar or the container here, which is good because I want it to be able to, if it gets clumpy, you know, if the baking soda gets clumpy, there's room for it to break up. Come on. It's taking forever to get in there. Well, it's coming through. I'm not sure if I have a funnel with a bigger end, because this is really for liquid. Don't do it, Maggie. I might be able to pour it in now. That I'll throw away, and this I'll wash. Now I put about 25 drops. If you make this for the first time, don't put that much in because it may be overpowering for you. So 1, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 20, 23, 24, 25. Put this back right away. And shake it up. Perfect. Okay. So then what you do is you shake this on your carpet, leave it for 10-15 minutes, and then vacuum it up. That's it. That's all I do. So that's how I make my own homemade, like Fresh Wave. I don't know if I'll get into trouble saying them, but they don't sell this anymore. So that's my Carpet Fresh. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye.